Okay, let's unpack this. Have you ever wished you had, like, a personal assistant for life's most bureaucratic moments? Something that could instantly answer your questions about complex processes, save you time, and just ensure you're always on the right track. Well, you're in for a treat because today we're diving deep into a fascinating innovation that's doing just that for university students and businesses alike. Today, we're exploring the Estante Virtual ASA. It's a digital tool from the University of Nariño, or Udenar, down in Colombia. Our source material gives us a really comprehensive look at how this virtual assistant is, well, revolutionizing the management of Practica Empresarial, which is essentially corporate internships or professional practice for their students. We've got insights into its development, its pretty ambitious goals, and even the challenges it faces. Our mission: extract the key nuggets and give you a shortcut to understanding it all.
Yeah, and what's fascinating here is how Udenar has leveraged a common concept, the virtual assistant, and really tailored it specifically, tailored it to the nuanced needs of higher education and professional development. I mean, this isn't just a chatbot. It's a full system of information management, a SIG,
Yeah.
integrated with artificial intelligence, designed for asesoría, seguimiento y acompañamiento. That's what ASA stands for, advice, follow-up, support. It's really about efficiency, quality, and democratizing access to crucial information. And it definitely aligns with global trends in edtech.
Right, embedding a culture of quality, you mentioned. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is ASA? And maybe, why did Udenar feel the need to build this specific thing now? How's it different from, say, a generic university help bot?
Good question. So ASA is a specialized digital tool Udenar developed to actively support students, professionals, and really all stakeholders throughout their entire Practica Empresarial journey. Think of it as a 247 digital guide, but one that's deeply integrated into the university's specific operational procedures. The whole project is spearheaded by Oscar Hernando Benavides Paz. He's an economist, finance specialist, and he's been leading this Practica Empresarial program in Udenar's Faculty of Economic and Administrative Sciences FACEA for over a decade. You access it mainly through a blog, https://asesoríaseguimiento.blogspot.com. That acts as its sort of central hub. And for a university like Udenar, which has high-quality accreditation and has spread out Pasto, Ipiales, Dumaco to CARES, this isn't just a tech upgrade. It's actually a pretty crucial step towards bridging geographical gaps, information gaps, and properly digitizing these complex educational processes.
Okay, that makes sense, especially with multiple campuses. So connecting that to the bigger picture, the why, you said it's not just about quick answers.
Exactly. It's about fundamentally optimizing the entire user experience for these professional practices. Its core objectives are very clear and strategic,
Yeah.
provide immediate personalized advice on admin and operational processes, drastically cut down response times, and crucially minimize errors in these professional practices. And the genius, I think, is in how it's designed to embed some pretty serious operational principles. We're talking total quality, continuous improvement, Gemma Kaizen, and just-in-time methods, all aligned with ISO 9001.2015.
Well, okay, so series quality standards baked right in.
Absolutely. And this isn't just about students. It's about transforming roles. Students become more like proactive professionals. Professors shift from just evaluators to strategic directors guiding this high-quality process.
Yeah.
It actively fosters a culture of excellence within the partner organizations, too. Plus, it democratizes access to managerial info and aims to inspire wider adoption of digital tools. A bit like how other uni assistants handle enrollment queries, but much deeper. And ultimately, these objectives tie right back into Udenar's mission, fostering research, entrepreneurship, and regional development in Nariño.
That level of embedded quality transforming roles, that's really impressive. So it makes you wonder then, how does a system like that translate into, well, ambitious measurable goals? What are the specific metrics they're actually chasing with ASA, and how do they make sure students are like fully prepared before they even start their practice?
All right, it's not just talk.
Yeah.
ASA has some very concrete, quantifiable targets. They're aiming for genuine 204/7 availability, answering common questions in seconds, covering at least 90% of queries on critical stuff, legalizing practices, work plans, reports, managing the PPM, the professional practice plans, clarifying roles, responsibilities, All of it.
90% coverage is huge.
It is. And the scale ambition is significant too. They want to impact over 300,000 asesorías, seguimientos, y acompañamientos. That's consultations, follow-ups, support instances. So really expanding its use among students and partner companies. It even uses AI to process data in real time, sending smart reminders for important documents, like a letter of acceptance, which acts like an employment certificate. It's all geared towards ensuring users complete process a la primera y bien hecho.
First time right and well done. Love that phrase.
Exactly. And for preparation, it aligns explicitly with academic requirements. Students need to be aptas y salvo académico, academically clear before they can even begin. Plus, access via mobile or web gives that flexibility.
Okay, this raises a key question for me, though. How does it actually do all this, especially the personalized interaction part you mentioned? I mean, it's accessed via a blog address, right? How does a blog become this dynamic, personalized system instead of just, a static web page?
Yeah, you're hitting on a crucial point about its architecture. It's rooted in that robust system of information management, the SIG, which integrates AI specifically to handle these complex personalized queries. Sure, it draws inspiration from general assistants like Siri or Google Assistant, but it's meticulously adapted for the specific educational business context. The blog URL, asesoriaseguimiento.blogspot.com, that's the user-facing portal. But don't let the blog label fool you. It's much more.
Okay.
Behind the scenes, it's intelligently linked to Udenar's SIG and its internal databases. When a student logs in, maybe with a unique ID like 2101421go55, the system dynamically generates a personalized dashboard. It pulls real-time data and guidance specific to their internship status, their academic progress, their past interactions.
Okay. So it's not just one blog page for everyone. It's pulling individual data.
Exactly. It becomes a living, personalized guide. It covers all those key themes: formalization procedures, work plan guidelines, report instructions, PPM management defining roles. It uses natural language processing for those automatic context-aware responses, which helps promote those ISO 9001 quality initiatives. It even links out to other relevant blogs, like practicaempresarialx.blogspot.com, which explores broader AI applications in productivity, like managing emails, calendars. So it complements ASA.
Right. Offering more resources.
Yeah, and it's not static. It's evolving. Weekly updates. It continues. The work director, Benavides, started back in 2012, built on research and partnerships. It's a truly dynamic system.
Okay, so we've dug into the mechanics and the impressive goals of ASA, seen how it aims to make a complex process much smoother. But stepping back a bit, what are the wider implications here? Not just for Udenar, but maybe for the region or other universities thinking about digital education. And, have there been any big unexpected hurdles in actually achieving all this?
Well, for the bigger picture, ASA is definitely a huge leap forward in digitalizing this whole professional practice management at Udenar. It's clearly boosting efficiency, improving accessibility for students across all those campuses, and positioning the university to align with global quality standards through that ISO 9001 integration. By automating advice and fostering continuous improvement, it's not just solving immediate problems like, say, student confusion or admin bottlenecks. It's actually cultivating a professional culture among students before they even fully enter their careers. That's a significant benefit.
That preemptive aspect is interesting.
Right. And the potential impacts are pretty far-reaching. Think improved student retention because the process is clearer, less intimidating, better integration with companies who appreciate the streamlined management and the quality of the students they get, and a real contribution to regional development in Nariño by producing more prepared, efficient professionals. Right. This tool really positions Udenar as a leader in virtual education in Colombia, kind of like successful examples we see elsewhere, like at UNAD. It sets a benchmark.
A model for others, potentially?
Potentially, yes. But even with these impressive benefits and its success, ASA does face some important challenges.
Yeah.
Things that need ongoing attention. One major hurdle is user adoption and, frankly, varying levels of digital literacy. Not all users, particularly maybe in more rural areas like Tumaco, have advanced digital skills.
Yeah.
That could limit its reach for some.
Yeah, the digital divide is always a factor.
Absolutely. Which points to a need for more training, ongoing support to ensure everyone can benefit equally. Then there's the critical issue of data security. Handling sensitive student info needs really robust protection against cyber threats. Unauthorized access, that's a constant battle.
Always evolving threats there.
Exactly. Scalability and updates are also key. Keeping the system aligned with changing regulations, like new ISO standards, expanding it to other programs. That takes significant ongoing resources. It could stretch the directing team thin.
Right. Maintenance isn't trivial.
Not at all. And finally, there's tech dependence. What happens if there's connectivity failure? Always possible in very geographic areas. Or what if the AI just struggles with really complex, nuanced queries it wasn't specifically trained for?
Good point. The edge cases.
Precisely. This might require a sophisticated hybrid support system AI for the routine, humans for the complex exceptions. That's common for advanced virtual assistants. And measuring success has to go beyond just efficiency metrics. Need to ensure those long-term educational goals, the deep learning outcomes, are truly being met.
What a deep dive this has been. We've really seen how Udenar's Assistente Virtual ASA is this powerful, quite tailored blend of tech and education, designed not just to streamline, but to genuinely elevate that whole corporate internship experience. From its 24/7 availability, aiming for 90% query coverage, to its deep roots in ISO 9001 quality standards, and that goal of creating a new culture of professionalism, it's seriously ambitious. It's really inspiring to see a university tackling real-world admin headaches with such an innovative, specific solution, while also importantly being mindful of things like the digital divide and the critical need for data security. It's
Yeah.
clearly not just about giving answers, it's about shaping future professionals and boosting regional development in a tangible way.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? As AI and these virtual assistants become more and more sophisticated, more integrated into our daily lives, especially in education and professional development. How will institutions strike that balance? Balance the undeniable efficiency of automation with the irreplaceable value of human mentorship and truly personalized guidance. And maybe what new skills, both digital and perhaps more importantly, interpersonal, will students and educators need to cultivate to not just adapt, but to really thrive in this evolving digital landscape?